Hijab, faith and freedom. Why head covering exists in many religions, and why forcing it can push people away. What if? The problem is not the hijab itself, but the way people speak about religion. Many people today believe that hijab belongs only to Islam. But history tells a very different story. For thousands of years, women in many religions covered their heads as a symbol of modesty, spirituality, dignity, and religious identity. This existed in Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and even ancient traditional cultures. The truth is, head covering was never unique to Muslims alone. Head covering in Christianity. In the Bible, women were instructed to cover their heads during worship. One of the clearest verses is found in 1 Corinthians 11, 5-6. But every woman who prays or prophesies with her head uncovered dishonors her head. And another verse says, for if a woman does not cover her head, she might as well have her hair cut off. This shows that covering the head was considered important among early Christians. Even today, some Christian women still cover their heads inside churches, especially Orthodox Christians, Catholic nuns, traditional Christian communities. Head covering in Judaism. In traditional Judaism, married women often cover their hair as a sign of modesty and respect. Some Jewish women wear scarves, hats, or wigs called sheitel. Religious teachings considered covering the hair an important part of modest behavior. Even today, this practice exists among Orthodox Jews, Hasidic Jewish communities. Hijab in Islam. In Islam, hijab and modest clothing are mentioned in the Quran. Quran, Surah An-Nur, 24:31. And tell the believing women to lower their gaze and guard their chastity and not display their beauty except what is apparent. And another verse, Surah Al-Ahzab, 33:59. O Prophet, tell your wives, your daughters, and the believing women to draw their outer garments over themselves. For many Muslims, hijab represents worship, modesty, privacy, and spiritual identity. But here is the difficult question. If head covering existed in many religions,